Hey guys, so now is the time for the class project where you guys will be editing a video and adding transitions, effects, and stickers. Okay, so here you guys will be doing that, and I hope to see you all like how you do that, and I'll be eagerly waiting for your work. Okay, so now let's see what all steps you guys need to follow here. So first, you need to import your video in the library and you need to at least add four videos in the video panel, like in the same row or the same panel. Okay, and after that, in between, you guys can put transition, use different effects and stickers in your video, and after that, export your media to your device and upload it in our project panel. That I can review it, and I can give you some suggestions as well that how it should actually be or what can enhance it more. So I'll be eagerly waiting to see you all what you guys have learned in the class, and let me show you how you guys can do that. Okay, so here I have already imported my media. So this is how from here basically you can import your media. So like this you can import, and after that what you'll do is you'll drag down this in your timeline. Okay, so I'll just keep the project one as I have told, choose four. So here I will be choosing four. Okay, so I'll come here and I'll drag and drop this one. Now I'll just adjust this according to the timeline. Decrease the size, and I'll decrease this one as well. And now what you guys need to do, I have added the fourth videos as well. So the step two is done. And now you guys come to the transition. Go to your transition if you do have downloaded anything, or you guys can come up here and choose your own transition from here. So the things which don't have any like diamond shape thing here, so that one is free. Okay, so you guys can download as I have already downloaded few. So I'll be taking this transition and placing it in between. Okay, so I will place this one in between, this one here in between this. Okay, so I have my transitions, and I can come here in the effects option and I can take out a glitch effect here. So let me come up here, take this glitch effect, or I do have downloaded few, so I'll take this one and I will extend the glitch effect timing. Okay, so I have added the effects as well, and the last thing which I need to add is a sticker. Okay, so I will just bring this sticker somewhere here, and after that take my playhead, decrease the size and put it in one corner. Okay, I can also scale it. If I want to scale it more, I can do that as well. So I have created this particular video as I'll be showing you guys just a preview of how it looks. See here, I do have the glitch effect as well. Okay, now you guys will be able to see the transition between videos, and I have also used the sticker here. So yes, this is done, and this is how you'll be doing. Come here in the export option, export to device. Okay, so from here you guys can just export this one. So once you click on this particular button on down here in this page, so it will be exported in your media. You guys can choose where you want it to get saved to. Okay, you can choose these settings and export, and after that the last thing is you guys upload your particular work in our project window. So hope you guys have understood how you guys going to do that. So take care everyone, and see you all in the next class.